Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a card and add labels in Trello step by step. If you want to organize your tasks properly and mark important work easily, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, log into your Trello account. After logging in, scroll a little and open the Trello board where you want to work. Once you enter the board, you will see your Trello lists and existing card. Click on it. Now enter the title of your card. After typing the title, click on Add Card. Click on the card to open it. Inside the card, you will see the Labels option. Click on it. You can also choose a color for your label. Here, you can create a new label according to your needs. For example, I am creating a label and naming it Most Important. After entering the title and selecting the color, click on Create New Label, and then click Create. Your new label is now ready. Now select the label to apply it to your card. In the same way, you can create multiple labels. I will open another card and create another label. You can either create a new label or select an existing one. As you can see, the label has now been successfully applied to the card. That's how you create a card and add labels in Trello. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Trello tutorials.